Welcome to your community portal. Here's how to make a payment. From your dashboard, you'll see a payment section located here. Here you'll see your account balance as well as any upcoming charges. To make a payment, click the Make a Payment button located here. If you'd like to enroll in the auto draft feature, be sure to click the Enroll button located here. Before doing so, be sure to pay off any outstanding balances. Let's take a look at the auto draft feature. Before we enroll, be sure to know that under this auto draft agreement, your regularly scheduled assessments will be automatically drafted on the designated day of your association's billing cycle. Now, to enroll an account, select the account you would like to enroll and then click the Enroll Selected button. Here you'll provide the start month, the account type, bank routing number, bank name, bank account number, and confirm your account number. Then at the bottom, fill out your e-signature and click the Enroll button to finish the process. Now let's take a look at our payment section. If you'd like to just make a payment, be sure to click the Make a Payment button located here. There are two payment types. You can either pay a one-time payment or a recurring payment. You can also pay either through credit card or through your bank account. Let's take a look at the credit card option. If you scroll down, you'll see your balance due and any upcoming charges. If you scroll a little bit further, you can type in the desired amount you would like to pay in the amount box. Next, click the Pay with a New Credit Card option. Type in the date you would like to pay, followed by clicking the blue Continue button. Here, you can type in your credit card information, and if this is a credit card you would like to use for future payments, be sure to select Save Payment Method for future use. Lastly, click the blue Confirm and Pay button to finalize your payment. Now, to pay with your bank account, select the Bank Account option. Scroll down where you'll see your balance due and any upcoming charges. In the amount box, type in the desired amount that you would like to pay, click the Pay with a New Account button, and then type in the desired date to pay. Lastly, click the blue Continue button. Here, you will have the option to provide your email, your first and last name, and you have the option of searching for your bank. If you'd like to enter your bank details manually, click the blue link here. Here you will provide your routing number, your account number, and you will confirm your account number. Last, click the Submit button here. Once you've entered your bank details, if this is a payment method you would like to use for future use, select the Save Payment Method for future use. Then click the blue Confirm and Pay button to finalize your payment. If you need any additional assistance navigating your community's portal, please visit the link provided for more quick training videos or get in touch with us. We're happy to help.